So here we're at Six Flags Over Texas, and we're gonna go ride their railroad. Let's go inside and wait for the train to come about. Johnson Creek Station. Trains arrive every 15 minutes. Let's go head inside. Little escrow office right here. Guys chilling, sending telegrams. All the people waiting by the tracks.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank y'all for choosing to ride the Six Flags Texas Railroad train with us. I do have some rules to go over with you. Absolutely no smoking, no vaping on this train. Please remain seated until we get over to Boomtown Depot. Please keep all body parts inside these coaches. Your feet, your hands, your head, all your body parts. Well, I've never seen the line that long for the ladies' restroom. Right over there to the left of us, that line, that's for the ladies' restroom. Doggies. Right over here to the left side of us, opened up here in 1990, they call it the Texas Giant. Tallest wooden roller coaster in the world at that time. 19 years later, Six Flags shut it down for 2 years, did a major refurb, added the steel tracks, 10 feet to its height, added late cars, opened it back up 2011 and call it the new Texas Giant. Over here on the right side of us would be our Chaparral antique cars. They've been here since 1962. They are 3/4 replica size of the original Chaparral cars that were manufactured down there in Cleveland, Texas. Side of the train should be an oil derrick observation tower. It opened up here in 1969, 300 feet tall. And here on the left side of the train should be a Chevrolet Roller 1978 when it opened up. It was the first of its kind in the world. First consecutive double loop roller coaster in the world. Also, there is another ride there on the other side of the shop. You can't see it too well from here. Not sanctioned by Six Flags Over Texas. Nonetheless, it is a thrill seeker's ride. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We call that ride there Interstate 30. Here on the right side, it's going to be our our Superman Tower of Power. It's been here 2003, 325 feet tall. Coming up here on the left side of the train is our ghost town. Some people call it Jerry Jonesville. Chip, the gentleman sitting out there on the front porch, he has been sitting there since 1997. He wants to be first in line to buy Dallas Cowboys Super Bowl tickets. Those fine folks there in the saloon, they are dancing to the sound of silence. We are approaching into the runaway mine train. Been here since 1966. 2,500 feet of track, 35 miles an hour. Worst roller coaster in the world. We're looking really underwater. And you don't need a towel on the other side. That blue track in front of us, that would be Mr. Freeze. The yellow track over there to the far left side of us is going to be Batman the Ride. They're over there in Gotham City. Here on the right side of us is our mini mine train. It's been here since 1969. 810 feet of track, 20 miles an hour. That is my kind of roller coaster. Alright folks, we are coming up to Boone County Hall. Until the train comes to a complete stop. If you're going to exit the train, you will hear a short whistle from the train's engineer. The train's got to come to a stop, you got to hear that whistle, then you may exit the train. We have an exit that in the front of the train, we have an exit that in the rear of the train. Look around you and gather up all your valuables. Don't leave anything here on the train. Take all that stuff with you. Wait for it now, don't get up. Wait for that whistle. Don't get up. Wait for it. There you go, thank you. Alright folks, thank you all for choosing to ride the Six Flags Texas Railroad train with us. I do have some rules to go over with you. Absolutely no smoking, no vaping on this train. Please remain seated until we get over to Johnson Creek. Please keep all body parts inside these coaches. Your feet, your hands, your head, all your body parts. Folks, this right here on the right side of us, just right here in the park, Aquaman, Copperway. We got two boats, 20 people per boat. Going to go up 148 feet to the air, release you back down, and when it hits that water at 63 miles an hour, it's going to make a big splash. Not even get wet. This is our Bugs Bunny Boomtown. 10 rides in that area that cater to the younger kids. Folks, we are into Hobo Junction. We got the population back up to 1. Zane's back out here with us. Also, we're going to get up to 2. Zeke is that one that takes a shower 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. He's in wardrobe. We're going to get him back out here pretty soon. Two steam engine locomotives that are not being used. The steam engine locomotive that's pulling these three coaches, the General Assembly, it was built in 1901. Up here on the right side is our two log flumes. First log flume built here in 1963. It was so popular, people would wait 3 and 4 hours in line to get a ride on that log. 1969 rolled around, they gave us another one here. Right over there to the left side of us, that big, all that metal that goes all the way up to the stratosphere over there. That ride over there is called the Titan. If you have already ridden the Titan, or if you're going to be riding it later, God bless you. Folks, we are now entering into Johnson Creek Station. Let me remind you to please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. You're going to hear one short whistle from the train's engineer. If you're going to exit the train, you may do so at that time. We have an exit gate at the front of the train. We have an exit gate at the rear of the train. Look around you, gather up all your valuables, all your belongings. Don't leave anything here on the train. Wait for that whistle now. Don't get up. Hold on. Don't get up. There you go. Thank you.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that train POV of the train ride here at Six Flags Over Texas. You can't ever go wrong with a good train POV. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other train POVs I might film for you. Maybe I'll film the one at Fiesta, Texas. Maybe I'll film the one to Six Flags Over Georgia. Or you know what? Maybe I'll just go film the one at Dollywood again, because that's like the best train ride at any park ever. Next to the Magic Kingdom Railroad, of course, right? Love you guys. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing. And whatever you do, don't like, don't comment, and don't share, and don't subscribe on YouTube. Peace.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.